What's up, everybody? How's everybody doing today? This marks day number 2 of the vinyl wrap on the BMW Z3 MCoupe. We are still at TGD. This is a continuation of the last video, so if you haven't seen the last video, stop and go back and watch that one. I'll put it somewhere on the frame. Yesterday, like a little issue towards the end of the day. We didn't realize the fender was a little bit closer to the door. So it actually, when we closed the door, it like barely nicked the vinyl. So we stripped off the old vinyl, and Jason's upstairs right now, possibly getting a measurement if he doesn't have it already, and rolling out another piece to cut. Other than that, before I got here this morning, Jason started super early. He already got both the tail lights out. But stay tuned. Today you're gonna see a whole lot more color change on this vehicle.
Side, light this bitch up.
What's up, guys? Jason's back and he's starting on the driver's side door. It's really coming together. The only major piece that's going to be like in question, I think, is how the hatch lid's going to lay with the duckbill spoiler and how the hood's going to lay with that seam. I'm not sure if I showed you guys yet, so I'm just going to reshoot this. But long story short, we're going to have to 3-piece it. And the reason that we're going to have to 3-piece it is A, I don't want to stretch the film too much. It's just the only other option is 1-piecing it or 3-piecing this hood, because you can't 2-piece it. You can't go horizontal because that'll look like trash. So the only other option is to 3-piece it. Now the decision lies with how we're going to do it. Are we going to do a decent overlap or butt it up right to where that point is on the knifeless tape? After due consideration, it's definitely going to probably be right where the line is for the knifeless tape. So if y'all see my car out in public, leave it alone. I'm gonna say this out loud in front of him. I think like the next 2 hours it'll be done. Whole car.
No pressure.
No pressure. All right, guys, so I think I'm gonna end the video right here. If I don't make this a 2-part segment, this will be the end of part 1 and part 2. I might just run them together. It might be a long video, so enjoy it. As always, guys, don't forget to go out to TGDWRAPS on Instagram. Give them a follow, mix it up with Jason some. But as always, guys, please don't forget to leave a comment, like this video, and subscribe, and flick the bell. Flick the bell so you get the newest notifications when we drop something. We've had a lot of success, and a super big thank you to everybody. We just hit 1,400 subscribers. It means a lot. I know I was on a big hiatus, but every little bit counts. So, as always, guys, see you in the next one. Drive safe, be safe. Peace.